Electronics Hints heartily welcome you to know the short tutorial on the atom to the semiconductor. A winner is always trying. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Receive more electronics information. Kindly suggest your valuable feedback to improve the forthcoming videos. Thank you. Electronics Hints. Atom. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that can exist. It is composed of two regions. The nucleus, which is the center of the atom and contains protons and neutrons, and the outer region of the atom, which holds electrons in orbit around the nucleus. Electron. The electron is the lightest stable subatomic particle. It is moving around the nucleus. It has a negative charge of 1.602176634 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. The mass of the electron is 9.1093837015 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram. Proton. It is a stable subatomic particle. Further, it is in the nucleus. It is stationary. It has a positive charge equal to the electron. Its mass is 1836 times the mass of an electron. Neutron. It is in the nucleus. It has no charge. Its mass is 1.67493 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. Ion. The charged atom is known as an ion. Electron orbits. The electrons are moving around the nucleus in a particular path. This path is the orbit. The orbits are represented by the letters K, L, M, N, etc. The maximum number of electrons in an orbit is given by 2n square, where n is the number of the orbit. Bound electrons. The electrons nearer to the nucleus are bound electrons. Valence electrons. The electrons in the outermost shell is valence electrons. Free electrons. The electrons free from the atomic structure are free electrons. Ionic bond. The bond formed between two opposite charged ions. Covalent bond. The bond which is formed by the sharing of electrons between two atoms. Metallic bond. The electrostatic force of attraction, cloud and positive ions forms a band which is known as metallic bond. Energy band. It has been found that when atoms come together to form a molecule. Energy band diagram is shown. Valence band. The range of permissible energy values that are the highest energies an electron can have and still be associated with a particular atom of a solid material. Conduction band. The conduction band is the band of electron orbitals that electrons can jump up into from the valence band when excited. Forbidden energy gap. Forbidden energy gap, also known as band gap, refers to the energy difference between the top of valence band and the bottom of the conduction band in materials. Fermi level. The highest energy level that an electron can occupy at the absolute zero temperature is known as the Fermi level. The Fermi level lies between the valence band and conduction band because at absolute zero temperature the electrons are all in the lowest energy. Conductor. Conductor is an object, substance or material allowing the flow of an electric charge. All metals are conductors. The best conductor is pure silver. The conduction band and valence band are overlapping each other. The conductor has less than 4 electrons in the last shell. Insulator. Insulator is an object, substance or material not allowing the flow of an electric charge. The wood, plastic, rubber, paper, glass and etc. are insulator. There is a large energy gap between the valence band to conduction band. The insulator has more than 4 electrons in the last shell. Semiconductor. The semiconductors are materials which have a conductivity between conductors and non-conductors or insulators. Silicon and germanium are examples of semiconductor. The energy gap is more than the conductor and lesser than insulator. It has 4 electrons in the last shell. Intrinsic semiconductor. The pure semiconductor is intrinsic semiconductor. Doping. Doping means the introduction of impurities into a semiconductor crystal to the defined modification of conductivity. Extrinsic semiconductor. An extrinsic semiconductor is one that has been doped. N-type semiconductor. The N-type semiconductor is formed by adding pentavalent impurity like phosphorus or antimony or arsenic or bismuth to the pure semiconductor silicon or germanium. The majority carrier is electron and the minority carrier is hole. P-type semiconductor. The P-type semiconductor is formed by adding trivalent impurity like gallium or indium or boron or aluminum to the pure semiconductor silicon or germanium. The majority carrier is hole and the minority carrier is electron. Hole. The absence of an electron from a full valence band. Reason for using the N-type semiconductor more than the P-type semiconductor. The N-type semiconductor has higher mobility and greater conductivity, so it is used more than the P-type semiconductor. Mobility. Mobility is formally defined as the value of the drift velocity per unit of electric field strength. Conductivity. The conductivity of a material depends on the concentration of free electrons in it. Courtesy and thanks to Google and books. Thanks for your visit to this channel.